recording. I'm recording my flooring.
Because we are putting our flooring in, at least the first part, to make sure we love it. Because we did change our mind last moment, what we wanted. And this is our little storage spot under Gwen's bed, at the end of our bed. So, wanted to have flooring in there because we're going to see the bottom. So Corey's doing an awesome job as usual.
Wore safety glasses for the first time.
But yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
So now measure the last piece and the closet's done, and we'll work on that back corner and work on our finishing framing out our bed.
Yeah. Hey, everybody. Finally got to the bus. We lost a bunch of footage for the last couple of weeks we were out here. But, yeah, we'll give you a little bit more of an update. We got the pot lights in on this side. Nice. 12 volt pot lights. Trying to think of the footage that we lost from the last week. We did start...
We started the boxes.
Yeah, we started the bed frame with the boxes. And we finished those today, right? Pretty nice. So, right, both open. Yeah, we got the flooring already in there. So you kind of get a rough idea what the flooring was. It's nice. So we gotta find some hardware for those. We've been working in the bus, so it's sawdust everywhere, but it's because we got heat in here. So, yeah. But here's some of the flooring. All right, so it's kind of a neat little combination. So it would be that one with a smaller strip. Well, that will be the flooring. Look something like that. Be nice. But yeah. And that, once again, the heater is working excellent. We got up to 10 degrees, no problem. Right? Holding steady with the door always opening. So that's good. Yeah, and a little bit of the wiring. It's pretty dark on this side, but so we got, no, it's not hooked to anything special. We're gonna mount it to a board, but we got one 12 volt fuse going. Eventually hook up the heater with a kill switch. Yeah. And the footage, that's right. And so we had a fuel leak. That was some of the footage. So I spent pretty much a day out here fixing a fuel leak in the motor. And that sucked. But seems to be fixed. But yeah, other than that, we're good.